How to send an appeal on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can send an appeal on TikTok. So let's dive in. First, open your TikTok app and it's going to bring you to this page, and now you have to click your profile icon and then you have to click these three horizontal lines on the top right corner. Now click settings and privacy and then scroll down, and now you have to click this report a problem option. And once you do so, it's going to bring you to this page, and now you have to just choose where you're facing a problem. For example, let's go with account and profile, and then you have to click manage account, or you can choose any option. I'm going to go with editing profile, and then it's going to bring you to this interface and you have to click other, and now it's going to just open this other interface for you and it's going to load. And now you have to click no and then click need more help. Once you click need more help, TikTok is going to bring you to the help desk, and now you can just write your appeal over here and send it by clicking this arrow. So you can see now once I type in some text, it's going to just be pink, and now I can send the appeal. Just type in your appeal and send it. And that's how you send an appeal on TikTok. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.